no, no.
I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you.
I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Shatakshi. I hope you guys like it here. So I'm back with yet another video, and this video is going to be the January Princess Box unboxing. Before we start the video, if you guys don't know, I have a huge giveaway going out on my channel right now. If you don't already know about it, I'll leave a link to it here or somewhere in the description box. So go check out the video, you might stand a chance to win the giveaway. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So this is how the box looks like from the inside. So it's like two different parcels. So I'll start with the one on the top. Oh wow. So if you know Priyanka from Priyanka, the owner of the Princess Box, she recently went to Bangkok and she got Bangkok souvenirs Thailand. So I think this is a scarf. If you can see, it's a black scarf with a maroonish flower, like floral print on top of it. Let me just open it. Oh wow, this is so soft, you guys, and it is written 100% silk. So wow, this is like, actually it's like slipping away from my hand, and it's like proper legit silk scarf that you can take. Oh wow, this is so soft, like literally so soft to touch on the skin. And that is the first product, you guys. And the next thing is in this cute pink leopard print kind of wrapping paper. Let's just get into that. Okay, so we get a wow. So we get a goldenish pouch, and it has a long sling with it. If you can see this, so quite big. Like if you see, it's bigger than my face. If you can see this, I'm just watching it in the viewfinder, so it's like bigger than my face. Quite big pouch for that matter. Everything is inside the pouch. Let's open that. As usual, she's so cute. She packages everything separately. Okay, everything separately. So let me just take everything out of this. So the first thing that I see inside the box is this. This is a Tarte lip balm in the shade Nude. It is a very nudish color, obviously as suggested by the name. It is very creamy in consistency and almost shows no color. So it's just like a nude lip balm, just like Vaseline or something. It has a very light tint. So if your lips are pigmented, it is not going to show up. If your lips are very light, then it might show up. So that is the first product. The second product that I see inside is this. This is a KatVonD studded mini lipstick, and this is in the shade Bow and Arrow. So we got a lot of choices to choose it from for that as well as this. So this is the one that I went for. This is a cool toned brown with a hint of pinks. So it is, if you are somebody with very deep warm tones, then that is something that might not look good on you. So that is the second product that I went ahead for. The third thing that I chose was this. This is This is the Nars Velvet Matte Lip Pencil, and this is in the shade Rowdy. Yet again another nude. So if you don't already judge by as of now, I have been into nudes recently. So I have all kind of crazy reds, pinks, purples, maroons, deep berry shades out there. So I wanted to stick to nudes because I've been recently into a lot of nude shades. So I thought it will be good for me. So that is the Nars Velvet Lip Pencil in the shade Rowdy. Again, a very nude color, very creamy, and a brown, a little cool tone brown. Then we get this. So this is a black pen in a red packaging with red crystals all over it. In order to open it, you just twist the top and the pen nip will come up, and then if you twist it again, it will go down. Then the next thing that we receive inside the box is these. These are statement earrings. So this is the only thing in the box that I'm not pretty fond of. So even though they're not very bad, this is something that you can easily wear on top of your plain blouses or tops. So you can make it work, but I'm not really a fan of this one. Then we also get the tea Tariq instant foaming tea. So since I am not a tea drinker, this might go in my next giveaway coming up soon. And then we have a full size Victoria's Secret body lotion. This is 236 ml or 8 fluid ounces, and this is in the fragrance Runway Angel. Again, a very fresh, very fresh, summery, beachy kind of fragrance that you can use. And if you see the, like, it's almost bigger than my face. We also get a Becca bronzer that is in the shade Capri. This is a sunlit bronzer, and it is again like a bronzer with a little bit of shimmer in it. So the shimmer is not really like showing through, like there is not a lot of shimmer, but it's definitely there, and it is powdery to touch. But if you just like kind of rub your fingers, you can feel it becoming creamy. So I don't know if that is pretty usual or not. So that is that. So that is it, you guys. That is everything that we received in the month of January for Princess Box. So this month we got all of the amazing brands like Tarte, Nars, KatVonD, Becca, and I have said it multiple times in the past, and I'd like to reiterate myself that there is no other subscription box that I see is providing such awesome international brands, that too with such awesome prices. Because if you try to order it yourself, then the customs and overall things cost a lot. And Priyanka from Princess Box, she always gives us the best of deal. So she also currently has a blog sale going on her Instagram account right now. So if you want to order something, anything at all, you can just go to her Instagram, you can ping her and you can ask her if she has the product. Also, I have a code with her, that is Shatakshi, so which will give you an extra gift on top of the discounted price as well. So that is it, you guys. I loved everything in the box apart from the earrings. So that is the only thing that I am not really big fan of in the box, but other than that, I love each and every product. So comment down below with what was your favorite product in the box, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, keep smiling and I love you guys.